And each time someone new entered her life, she hoped maybe this is the one who will fix me. But people came with their own wounds. Some stayed for a while, some held a basket gently, but no one knew how to piece her back together because it was never their assignment. One morning after another night of silent tears, Hope sat on her bed, feeling empty, but in the stillness, she heard a whisper in her heart. My child, you are not broken. You are unfolding. Stop waiting for someone else to pick up your pieces. Start picking them up yourself. For the first time, she looked at her own hands. Yes,